Yo guys, what's going on? It's your boy Ashton. We're coming back to you to make another video. Today though, we're gonna be doing something a little bit different than usual. As you can see, I got my good old boy Shay here. 2017 Subaru BRZ. Yeah, there she is. We're gonna be changing the oil on her today. And I figured why not make a little tutorial for you guys. So yeah, if you have a BRZ, we're gonna make you a little video on how to change your oil. Catch you in just a second. Boop. Alright, so after you get your car jacked up, yeah, pop your hood. Boom. We're gonna need this. We're gonna need some of this. I just poured in here, right?
Yeah.
On the 2017 and newer BRZs, as you see right there, that is your oil filter. Boom. And then that little hole right there is where you put your oil in at. Let's hop down below first because we got to take out that nasty oil first.
Oh, yours was nice and loose.
It popped right open. Oil's about to come out there.
Oh, you a pan saver, that's why.
Please don't get that oil on my shoe.
That's what it was. Can you grab me a towel from over underneath the tool bench?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what yours is. It's magnetic.
Oh.
Your drain plug has a magnet on the end of it.
Make sure you get that guy nice and tight, yo.
Yep, she's tight.
You don't want that falling out on you. Alright guys, so we're definitely going to want to lay down a towel down here, because if not, the second you pull this oil filter off, you are going to drop oil all down on your skid plate.
Yeah, and you're going to get oil all in this cup here, which is fine, but it will overflow, so if you put a towel, it prevents oil from getting on your skid plate, and then you have residual oil leaking out.
Here we go, you just twist that guy, lefty-loosey, you know, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty.
Yeah,
boom.
there's not much, but...
Oil filter gone. Dump it, put the rest of your oil. Throw it to the side. Why are you putting oil on it? You lubing her up?
Mm-hmm. You have to lube the gasket.
Oh, you heard that, guys? That's a pro tip right there. Lube the gasket before you throw it on there. Use your old oil. It's fine. It doesn't have to be new oil.
Yeah, and then when you take this filter off, you want to make sure that gasket doesn't get stuck on the oil filter housing. What will happen is it'll be stuck down in here. You'll see a black ring on this there where all that oil is, where it's silver when I wipe it. All on there you'll see a black gasket. If it sticks, when you put this filter on, because this gasket's already on it, you'll have two gaskets, which then when your oil is running through the filter, it'll actually slide out through the gaskets and you'll be spitting oil everywhere. So you want to make sure that your gasket, when you take your old oil filter off, is still on the filter and not on the actual housing, so that way you're not losing oil.
Righty tighty, you know, opposite of what we just did. Boom.
So you just want it hand tight and then a quarter turn.
And then it's time to pour oil in there. So the BRZ does hold 5.7 quarts of oil, so we got 5 quarts
0 W20.
Yeah, 0 W20 if you don't know already. Had to Google it, not get a cap.
It does say it on your cap.
Oh, it does? Oh yeah, so it does say it on your little cap down here. If you
see there.
Look right there. 0 W20, boom, thanks. Thanks, Subaru. And yeah, make sure you get a funnel, because I know you're not good at this. Nobody's good at this.
With these, you want to do a slow pour, because it's got a small hole for the oil to actually go in, so if you pour too much, it'll actually come out of the hole, so you want to do a slow pour.
Dang, this is a great shot. Castrol, give us a little sponsorship, bro. Make videos on how to change oil in every car. Castrol, just hook it up, so.
Alright, so that's 5.
So it's 5 quarts down the hole. We got another additional quart to pour in, so
7.
boom. Pop that cap, son. Pop it, pop it. Yeah. Just pour till it comes out the top.
Fuck no. One other thing we'll do, just to be sure, is I'm gonna have you start your car, and then we'll check oil pressure on your plug, make sure it's not leaking.
Oh, he wants to go the extra 9. He did used to do this for a living, so I mean it makes sense.
Put this on.
All that, guys, you put the cap on there. That's it. Just make sure that's nice and tight.
So if you wipe it off, put it back in, you're putting it back in fresh new oil. And then go ahead and start her up.
Alrighty.
If you want, I'll hold that and then just show like everything up here.
No, I gotta do the super cool car guy thing where you sit back and. How's she look?
Good so far. Watch around here real quick. The revving was for these. Since they're upside down, you want to get oil in it and prime it, make sure there's actually oil up in there. So you want to rev it to about 2,000 RPMs just to actually get the oil up through the system. Make sure everything's running before you check your oil stick. So if not, you're going to have a lot more oil on the dipstick than what's going to actually be through your whole system. So.
Oh wow, I'm learning something too, guys. I don't know all this. I'm gonna watch this video the next time I need to change my oil and Shay's not here.
Pull it out, clean it off first. Put it back in. And if you look, you got clean oil.
Woohoo! Nice and good. Yeah. So that's a job done then, wouldn't you?
That it is. So
alrighty.
From there, all we got left is close the hood up, lower it down, and take it on drive just to make sure it feels good.
Well, alright guys, that's going to be pretty much the end of the video. That's how to change your oil in a 2017 Subaru BRZ. It's the same one, 2015s, 2016s, 2014s, 2013s. It's the same on all of them, so yeah, it's not a very bad process. So yeah guys.
Is your oil light on?
No, I don't believe so. It shouldn't be. We'll check. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the little like button if you haven't already. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, because that means the world to me. And it means nothing to you, so you can definitely do that for me. It's not that big of a thing. And also leave me a comment down below what you want to see in the next video. If you need help on changing your oil or something like that, just let us know. Maybe we'll make a video helping you out. One more thing we almost forgot to mention, guys. Make sure you recycle your oil. Make sure you take it back to where you bought it. If you bought it at like an AutoZone, they will take it back. So don't go irresponsibly dumping your oil places. That is not okay and not good for the environment, you fucking asshole.
And we're already in discussions about a couple years, like, well, more like a couple decades, not having oil anyways. So recycling your oil will allow us gas-loving car owners to keep owning our gas-loving cars.
Yeah, for sure. So make sure you recycle your oil, guys. Yeah. Just friendly reminder. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna take this to AutoZone. And thanks for watching again. Remember, hit the freaking subscribe button. Bye.